Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is our second video on capital busting. In this, we will learn kinds of capital busting decision. Now, without wasting time, move towards our topic, kinds of capital busting decision. The first one is accept or reject decision. This is the basic decision in capital expenditure decision. A project is accepted when the return on project is higher than a predetermined rate of return. What it means? Suppose a businessman is getting a return from bank at the rate of 10% and the same person is getting a return from this project at the rate 15%, and one is accepting which will give the higher return, that is our project. So we take accept decision. And what will happen if our return from project is remain 8% and bank rate remain 10%? Now in that case we will reject the decision. So we take reject decision. This criteria is used for all kinds of independent project. Now our second is capital rationing decision. This situation arises when a firm has limited funds and several profitable investment projects. When the firm has only handfuls of funds and he may see various profitable investment projects, and he need to choose the one which will give the higher return. So how he will choose? He rank according to its profit earning ratio and choose the one which one give higher return. Capital rationing arises when the various profitable investment proposals compete for limited funds at a time, and companies select a combination of profitable proposals that will earn higher profit by ranking them in descending order of their profit earning capacity. Now our third decision is mutually exclusive investment. What it means? Mutually exclusive investment are those that compete with each other. In this, acceptance of one will exclude the acceptance of other. Let's understand it with example. For example, a company has an option of buying a component from an outsider or manufacturing within the firm. Now, the company has two options. He may get it from outside the company or manufacturing within the company premises. In this situation, the company may accept the most profitable decision based upon purchase price or manufacturing cost, whichever is less. If firm is getting component from outside the firm at lower rate with same quality, then he tried to take it from the outside instead of manufacturing in the firm. Then it means the cost which is less we accept that. Choose one. Selection of one option leads to rejection of other. If we accept to manufacture in the firm, then we reject other. What it means? Mutually exclusive investments. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.